Kalpasan ti manong aldaw nga nairugi iti RP US Ballikatan iti duwa a proyekto nga building ditoy Teppeng Elementary School ket deto iti nagbaliwan nan. May palagip nga nairugi ti nasao nga proyekto iti February 14 ket kalpasan ti manong nga aldaw dakkel nagbaliwan ti pasdek nga bangbangunen dan. Ni Builder Chief Nick Hoffman tinakasarsarita mi no anya dagiti parte nga nairugidan ket detoy tinakunana.
6 days now. We started off here. We dug the footers, and then we placed the concrete for the columns and for the walls. And now what we're doing now is placing the columns, and we'll place the concrete up in the columns, and we'll let that sit. And the next what we'll do is place block in two courses of block. And then we will fill it in with concrete after that, and then we will be completely out of the ground. And then after that, we lay a block and then the roof. Also, what we've done in the past 6 days is install a leach field, and then we've installed the trench for the pipe, and also a septic tank as well. And what we're going to do today, as well as place the columns, is also place the slab for the septic tank with concrete. Then after that, we just build up from there.
Inaldaw nga agtultuloy ti operasyon ti RP US Ballikatan tanal alisto nga malpas ti nasao nga proyekto. Manamna mga malpas iti may kadwa a Domingo iti Marso deti nasao a proyekto iti RP US Ballikatan dito Teppeng Elementary School. Para iti Press Corps, Ryan Pardo.